Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Cogent Biosciences submitted an FDA NDA for Bezuclastinib in combination with sunitinib for patients with gastrointestinal stromal tumors previously treated with imatinib. The Phase 3 PEAK trial showed improved progression-free survival versus sunitinib alone, with median progression-free survival of 16.5 versus 9.2 months, and objective response rate of 46% versus 26%, while overall survival remained immature. Merck received European Commission approval for pembrolizumab plus paclitaxel, with or without bevacizumab, for adults with PD-L1 positive platinum-resistant recurrent ovarian carcinoma after 1 or 2 prior systemic regimens. In the Phase 3 KEYNOTE-B96 ENGOT-OV65 trial, the regimen improved progression-free and overall survival versus placebo plus paclitaxel, with or without bevacizumab, with median progression-free survival of 8.3 versus 7.2 months, and median overall survival of 18.2 versus 14.0 months. AstraZeneca reported that the EMERALD-3 trial met its primary endpoint, showing a statistically significant and clinically meaningful progression-free survival benefit for Imfinzi and Imjudo in the STRIDE regimen, combined with lenvatinib and TACE versus TACE alone in embolization-eligible unresectable hepatocellular carcinoma. Interim overall survival showed a trend toward improvement, although formal testing is not complete. Context Therapeutics received FDA Fast Track designation for CTIM-76, a CLDN6 by CD3 T-cell engager, in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer for patients who have received all standard of care therapies, supporting ongoing development of the program in difficult-to-treat gynecologic cancers. Plus, Therapeutics received FDA Orphan Drug designation for REYOBIQ in pediatric malignant gliomas, with the company noting that the designation scope also includes pediatric ependymoma, supporting continued development of this targeted radiotherapeutic across central nervous system tumors. Nuvalent submitted an FDA NDA for neladalkib in TKI, pretreated advanced ALK-positive non-small cell lung cancer based on the global ALK-1 Phase 1/2 study. The company said neladalkib demonstrated overall activity, including intracranial responses, along with a generally well-tolerated profile consistent with its ALK-selective, TRK-sparing design. DualityBio announced that China's NMPA accepted the BLA for DB1303 BNT323, also known as trastuzumab pamirtecan, for previously treated HER2-positive unresectable or metastatic breast cancer in China, after a Phase 3 study met its primary endpoint of blinded, independent, central review-assessed progression-free survival, with statistically and clinically significant improvement versus T-DM1. GSK reported Phase 1 BEHOLD-1 data for macututug risatecan in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer and recurrent or advanced endometrial cancer. At the highest doses, confirmed objective response rate was 62% in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer and 67% in recurrent or advanced endometrial cancer, with the company saying the efficacy and safety profile supports 5 pivotal Phase 3 trials in 2026. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.